What's up, family? Trillions of dollars cut from Social Security has just been confirmed. Also, we have new Medicare increases for 2024 has just been confirmed as well. I'm going to be covering it in this video to let you know exactly what they are doing and how it may affect you and how you need to start preparing right now. Now, in addition to that, I do want to go ahead and thank all of you out there for the birthday wishes on yesterday. I really appreciate the support. But anyways, let's go ahead and get caught up in the latest information. But before we get started, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel as well as hit the like button, as it really helps us grow on YouTube. Now let's go ahead and start with the video. Starting off, guys, real quick, I want to let you know what happened yesterday evening. There was another mass shooting. Yes, guys, this was in Lewiston, Maine. Yes, guys, 22 people have been reported dead and about 50 people have been reported as being injured. And right now, guys, the particular shooter is still on the loose. Yes, guys, it says that on Wednesday night, a press conference by the Maine Public Safety Commissioner, Mike, which said that the law enforcement is not confirming an exact number of the victims in the situation. That remains pretty fluid, if you will, but according to other resources, guys, so far we have 22 people have lost their lives in regards to this. Now, this particular shooter, I believe he was a gun instructor, but anyways, guys, he walked into an open bowling alley as well as a bar, multiple locations, ended up opening fire on random people, and now this particular individual is still on the loose. And real quick, guys, I just want to go ahead and show you some statistics in regards to the mass shootings in this country. Looking at the website, which is called gunviolencearchive.org, they are reporting in regards to the mass shootings, there have been 565 mass shootings just this year of 2023, and we are in October the 26th as of now. But anyways, guys, I do want to go ahead and solicit you for your prayers right now to go ahead and take the time out to go ahead and send up a prayer for those individuals that were affected by this mass shooting yesterday on my birthday. Rather shocking, if you will. But anyways, go ahead and say a prayer for them. Keep them, their loved ones, their friends, their families in our prayers in the meantime. And hopefully law enforcement will be able to find this individual very, very soon. But anyways, guys, I at least wanted to share that information with you today. Now, moving on, guys, we do need to go ahead and talk about the latest information in regards to the increase in Medicare premiums as well as the deductibles. Guys, luckily this won't necessarily start until 2024, but I definitely need to give you this new information to you today. But anyways, guys, it says that the 2024 Medicare premiums and the costs were released by CMS on October the 12th with an increase for both Medicare Part A and Part B premiums as well as their deductibles. It says that the 2024 Medicare premiums and the costs were released by CMS on October the 12th with an increase for both Medicare Parts A and Part B premiums and deductibles. Below are the 2024 Medicare Part A and Part B premiums and the deductibles, as well as the information on the 2024 Part D changes that will affect Medicare Part D prescription drug costs. Now, as you can see right here, guys, this is pretty much listing out all of the changes and in regards to the increases to Medicare Part A, Part B, and Part D plans. But anyways, guys, in regards to Part A costs, which is basically inpatient hospital, the new 2024 Part A inpatient hospital deductible will increase by $32 from $1,600 in 2023 to $1,632 in 2024. The Part A deductible starts over every 60 days. It is not a once a year deductible, but 6 increases or 6 deductibles per year for Part A. Now, in regards to Part B costs, which is specifically regarding medical, but anyways, guys, the new 2024 Part B medical doctor deductible will increase by $14 from $226 deductible to $240 deductible beginning on January the 1st. After the deductible is met, Medicare pays 80% of the Medicare approved amount and the Medicare beneficiary pays the remaining 20% of the Medicare approved amount. Now, in regards to the Part B premium, the premium for 2024 will increase by $9.80 from $164.90 in 2023 to $174.70 beginning on January the 1st for those making less than $103,000 per year for individual and $206,000 for a couple. Beneficiaries who make more than the amount can find the 2024 Part B premium table on the CMS.gov's website. So anyways, guys, that is in relation to Part A and Part B. Now let's go ahead and talk about Part D increases as well. It says that the initial deductible will increase by $40 from $505 to $545 in 2024. The initial coverage limit will increase by $370 from $4,660 to $5,030 in 2024. And then we have what's called the donut hole, which is the coverage gap. It begins once you reach your Medicare Part D plan initial coverage limit of $5,030, and it ends when you spend a total of $8,000 out of pocket. Now, what is a donut hole discount? Part D enrollees receive 75% donut hole discount on the total cost of their brand name generic drugs purchased while in the donut hole. The discount includes 70% paid by the brand name generic drug manufacturer and 5% paid by the enrolled Medicare Part D plan. The Medicare beneficiary will be responsible for only 25% of the prescription drug costs until they reach the donut hole, which is $8,000 exit point. And to control Medicare Part D prescription drug costs, discuss with your medical provider which brand name drugs can be changed to generic drugs. But anyways, guys, the Part D catastrophic coverage will be out $0 out of pocket in 2024 when a Medicare recipient enters the catastrophic coverage. Then Medicare will pick up all the costs of the prescriptions, whether brand name or generic, and those with Medicare Part D plan pay $0. So anyways, guys, the Medicare Part D cycle begins again with a new deductible and a copay on January the 1st of every year. But anyways, guys, they are telling you to take your time during the Medicare's AEP to explore your options, because with Medicare, it's what you don't know that will actually hurt you. So anyways, guys, overall, we are seeing a plethora of increases in regards to Part A, Part B, as well as Part D prescription drugs. So you definitely need to be mindful of that. And then specifically in regards to Part D, you need to pay attention because it varies depending on if you have a brand name drugs or if you have generic drugs, or you might actually have to switch them. So anyways, guys, you definitely know more about this than I do, but I at least wanted to share with you the information generically in regards to the increases that is coming our way. And it looks like these are actually going to go into effect on January the 1st of 2024. So anyways, guys, hope that information was helpful to you. Now, in addition to that, I will include a link to this article down below in the description so that you can read it for yourself. Also, don't forget, you can easily go to the Medicare website in your local area to get more information as well. So don't forget about that, guys. But anyways, guys, on a high level perspective, this is not necessarily good, guys. We are seeing these increases from every angle in our lives today, and I don't see it stopping anytime soon. So anyways, guys, I hope that information was helpful to you. In addition to that, guys, we also saw this week where the Republicans, the GOP, have finally, they have announced a new House Speaker, and this particular Republican is out of Louisiana. Now, I know why are we necessarily talking about this? I'm going to tell you that in just a moment, but real quick, guys, just so you know that the House Speaker, which his name is Mike Johnson, you can see a picture of him right there. But anyways, guys, he played a key role in the efforts to overturn the 2020 election. He was a huge supporter in the former President Donald Trump, just to give you a little bit of a background. But anyways, guys, what is actually important in regards to this new House Speaker, Mike Johnson, is this right here, guys. We just found out this information because, like I said, they just nominated him to be the new House Speaker, but it might be very important. It might play a significant role in regards to our Social Social Security recipients as well as our Medicare recipients, and that is because this particular Mike Johnson, previously he had proposed trillions of dollars in cuts to Social Security and Medicare. Yes, guys, it says right here that as chair of the Republican Study Committee, Mike Johnson suggested slashing the programs should be Congress's top priority. Yes, it says that during his tenure as the chair of the Republican Study Committee between 2019 and 2021, Representative Mike Johnson helped craft budget resolutions that called for roughly $2 trillion in Medicare cuts, $3 trillion in Medicaid and Affordable Care Act cuts, and $750 billion in Social Security cuts. This was noted by Bobby Kogan of the Center for American Progress. And if you can look right here, guys, in this particular tweet, it says that the $3 trillion for Medicaid plus ACA also includes CHIP cuts, so all around cuts to critical health care, which was proposed by Representative Mike Johnson. It says, don't believe me? It's right on his website. Representative Johnson is proud of these particular cuts. Here's a screenshot from page 193 of the fiscal year 2020 budget resolution, which was his first one as the chair of RSC. But anyways, guys, if I can particularly zoom in right here, you can see the particular numbers right there. But anyways, guys, this was actually tweeted yesterday because, like I said, guys, Mike Johnson was just nominated to be the next House Speaker, and he is a Republican. So anyways, guys, hopefully we do not see anything in relation to this information, because you already know that the former President Donald Trump is running for re-election, and then this guy is now the actual House Speaker. So anyways, guys, he could have full reign if Donald Trump is selected to be the next president of this country. What does that mean for the American people? What does that mean for our Social Security recipients, as well as our Medicare recipients, as well as our seniors, as well as our elderly individuals in this country, the ones who are most vulnerable right now? Well, guys, we could see an actual push towards the idea of making trillions of dollars in cuts towards our Social Security and Medicare recipients. Guys, I do not want to see this. I know you don't want to see this as well, but I just want to give you a heads up, guys, because this could actually come to fruition depending on who is the next president of the United States. If it is Donald Trump, we could see him give Mike Johnson full reign as the House Speaker to go ahead and push Congress to go ahead and provide major cuts, trillions of dollar cuts to Social Security. The ones who do not need any more cuts, guys, we all know that they need increases in the amount of monthly payments that they actually receive. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to give that information out to you. I will do a little more research to find out exactly where his head is in regards to today, in regards to previous. But anyways, guys, I can't promise anything, but I definitely want to give that information to you today in this video. But outside of that, guys, if you like this information, please go ahead and comment down below. I would love to get your feedback on this information. But outside of that, guys, I hope all this information in this video was helpful to you today. Well, anyways, guys, that's all we have for you today. But feel free to check out some of the items down below in the description. There are a couple of opportunities for you to earn some free money, some free cash, such as signing up with Rakuten, which is the #1 cashback website out there, which right now, if you use the link down below, they are going to give you an additional $30. Plus, you're going to be getting cash back on all of your purchases that you make on an everyday basis. And then in addition to that, don't forget about signing up for the Amazon Prime membership, where you can get it for free for 30 days. But anyways, guys, those are just a few, but be sure to check out all of the links down below. Other than that, guys, hey, if you enjoyed today's content and you want to see more, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And if you like today's video, then go ahead and hit the like button for us. It really helps out this channel, as well as it tells YouTube to share this video with others. But anyways, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.